This is Ken Rockwell of KenRockwell.com and KenRockwell.tv. Let's see what Apple has sent me today. We have this beautiful box that arrived Federal Express. And let's see, it's got these tabs. I don't even need to get out my knife to open these boxes. Opening anything from Apple is always a dream. You don't know what it's going to be. It's always going to be something beautiful. It's like walking to an art gallery. This side up, this side up. Oh, that must be my invoice. Oh, look at that. Look how this is packaged. Is this a beautiful thing? There's no way this is ever going to get damaged in shipment. And the beauty of it is, oh, it's an Apple Watch. I love this. That when you get your shipment, there's no way that your shipment will be damaged. Your box will be in perfect condition, which I know we always love opening our Apple products. Oh, it's a Series 5, space black, stainless steel case, Milanese loop. I love these. And it includes, well, you know, we don't need to read it because we've got one in our hot little hands. Let's open it up. And to open it, do they have, oh, see the little arrow there? Let's see what this does. Ooh, that I like, as they say. Good. This we can throw away. There we go. Let's see what we got. Ooh, this is a beautiful thing. It's like if you can't make it to an art museum, or the Museum of Modern Art in New York, this stuff is better than when I used to go to the museum when I was a kid and look at. The industrial design of this stuff is astounding. Oh, good. The package includes both a watch and a band, depending on what you've ordered. This is cut through the first level of cardboard and then supported by another thicker piece of cardboard or some kind of paper product. It's a beautiful thing. In fact, I never throw this away. This never enters the waste stream. This packaging is so beautiful that I save it forever because it's just so beautiful to look at. I mean, pardon me, but it is. Okay, here's our watch band. Let's see how we open this. The little green dot. Pull that off. And that. Let's see what we got. Absolutely beautiful. There's some instructions and so forth. Put that out of the way. Oh, gosh, this stuff is so beautiful. It's like when you buy a Mercedes-Benz, the instruction manuals also to be so beautifully designed and laid out with just the right fonts. Okay, here we go. Here's an Apple Watch band. And this is what's on my current Apple Watch that I'm wearing right now, my Series 4 that I wear all day. And I love it. These bands are the best. You'll notice how flexible they are. This is not like any kind of metal you've ever seen. It's apparently made out of stainless steel, but it's also magnetic. There's a very strong magnet in here. And so when you put this on, you just do that. I'm going to show you my existing watch. How cool is this? You see, you take it off like that, and now it's off. When you put it on, better than any watch band I've ever had, and I have had a lot, go like that, and you just flap this around, and it will set to exactly the right size. So as the day goes on and your hands expand and contract with temperature and level of exercise, you can get any size fitting you want. So that's our band, but that's a known quantity. We know that. Let's quietly put this away while I'm on TV here and get on to the Apple Watch. It just comes out by gravity. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at this level of detail. It's embossed. I didn't even know what this is because, again, I'm live on television here. It's either plastic or some combination of plastic and paper and has little indentations so that this can stick up just a little bit when you open your box. Ha! You can pay more, but you can't get better. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I don't think the last watch I had was packaged so carefully and so thoughtfully. This makes sure that your watch arrives in absolutely... Oh gosh, look at that. I didn't even do that. This is entirely on its own. It just turned itself on. How cool is that? It's like, hey Dad, look who I am. I'm your new watch. We can look at the back. Series 5, 44 millimeter, ceramic case, stainless steel and ceramic, fancy stuff. Sapphire crystal, GPS, LTE, water resistant to 50 meters. You gotta love this. Okay, now I'm gonna have to start setting it up. Okay, we'll do that some other time. Usually the way you turn off your watch, pop, it went to sleep. And what have we here? I'll bet you this. Oh, okay, is there anything in here? We have paperwork, which you'll read offline. Oh, I love it. Another Apple Watch charger. Looks like we got the one with the steel outside. And even an AC adapter. I don't think any of us need these anymore, but it's always nice to have. And that, in an Apple box, is the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5. Thanks again for watching Ken Rockwell, KenRockwell.com, and KenRockwell.tv.